One command that I should have sent along with my email last time is the ALIGNSPACE command. As we saw in Align, you can move and rotate an object, but with the ALIGNSPACE command, you can rotate an object in paper space. As you can see here, we have what could be a boundary, and it doesn't fit well on the paper. What would be nice is if we could have this long side go north-south along the edge of the paper. So what we will do is we will double click inside our paper space, which is called floating model space, and we will give it the ALIGNSPACE command. And I will click on the two endpoints. You can't see one here because it's out of the viewport, but there's the endpoint, and then there's the other endpoint. And I will pick the edge that I want to rotate it to in paper space, and I will just use the viewport, the two ends, and you can see it rotated it, and it also rescaled it. So I just have to put it back to my previous scale, and I now have it aligned to a specific direction that I wanted on my paper.